If you want to keep your kids out of the pool, Pool Fence DIY is a way to give you peace of mind, even if you have 50 kids like we do. You may have heard of cheaper by the dozen, but we're called thrifty by the 50.
And we really wouldn't have it any other way. They're angels, and we prefer them alive.
Pool Fence DIY is a spoiler alert. Do-it-yourself fence for your pool. If you wouldn't own a car without a seatbelt, then don't own a pool without a Pool Fence DIY.
What's that called?
Every good craftsman can see the quality in another craftsman's crafts. Nylon, basket woven mesh, aluminum pole with a stainless steel insert. I can tell you, basket woven is an honorable weave. Look how it returns to shape. And much like my wife, the mesh is ultra strong. It takes a few hours to set up and will save you thousands in bartered bushels, or, in your case, dollars. We've got an easy installation guide and videos to show you just how simple it is. And if you don't have strong farm hands to install it, just call us and we'll send you a local tech. You just drill, insert, and erect. It's fully customizable, even if your pool is weird shape. You can cut around diving boards, flower beds, bricks, barrels of oats, and Grandma's rocker. She ain't getting out of there for a while. I'm kidding, it's removable in minutes, but not by children. Look at her go! She is limber. And you can call Pool Fence DIY 7 days a week, even on Sunday. Which I do not approve of. So go ahead and click the link and get a Pool Fence DIY today. Even if you don't have a pool, buy one for your pet that you call children. Or get it for a gift for someone who has children whom they call a pet. Go ahead, click the link. Before Pool Fence DIY, I felt like a full-time lifeguard. It seems like if you took your eyes off them for 1 second, they would...
What's this?
Moses! I'm gonna split you like the Red Sea, young man! Moses! Shoo, you're such a plague! Anyways, my point is you can't rest if you've got an unprotected pool and young kids. You've got to prevent the accidents before it happens, like Kid 51.
Woo!
Thanks to Pool Fence DIY, those days are long gone. Now our pool is a relaxing part of our beautiful home.
As it should be.
Mazel tov.
What does that mean?
No idea. So if you want your pool to be relaxing and your kids to be safe, click the link and order a Pool Fence DIY today. And if anything goes wrong, you'll be covered by our limited lifetime warranty because, hey, lives have limits, let's be honest. And Pool Fence DIY is super legit. We've been featured on Extreme Home Makeover, Good Morning America, and The Today Show. So I hear. I wouldn't know. And the reviews are raving, much like I am for your Sunday dinner, sweetheart. Like Dave of Nevada says, Pool Fence DIY is the real deal. Quality product and customer service. Product arrived well packaged in 2 days. Very happy with the results.
Dave sounds hot.
He must be if he has a pool. And like Abraham of Washington, what a bloodline. Quick delivery and very easy to self-install. Looks great and gave us the peace of mind that we needed with grandchildren playing in the yard. So if you want to fend off the impending hordes of children in your pool, then click the link and buy. Wow, I sound like a broken record, whatever that means.
I've never heard that.
Hey, gather around for a selfie by the pool fence. All right, everybody, say fertility on 3. 1, 2, 3. Fertility! Look how strong that thing is. Kevin.
Sarah.
Abigail.
Martha.
Charles.
Adam.
Zedekiah.
Madeline.
Melody.
Benjamin.
You might want to click the link.
Soraya.
Andrew. Hey,
Dennis.
just click
There's
it.
Soraya.
This is going to last a long time. I've got 50 children, so. Jaundice.
Happens.
Chastity. Just click the link. I'm getting real tired of you watching us. It's getting weird. He's not ours.
No, I don't.
I don't know who he is.